I just picked up this 1999 BMW Z3. It's the 2.3, which is the 2.5 liter V6. One interesting thing that I can't figure out, I mean, the seatbelt light's on, we can work on that, but when I press the clutch in, I hear this weird relay noise. So here you are. And as soon as you let the clutch back out, it stops. So let's try that again. Let me try from under the dash, maybe you'll hear it better. Actually, here's a couple different spots. So, there's our clutch pedal. Don't mind the Crocs. No noise. There you go. So the more I mess around with it to try to determine the location of the sound, it seems like it's behind here, but that could be behind here, maybe even behind the speaker panel here. Back here. Not 100% sure yet, but we're gonna figure out what that is. Here's another shot at it. Might even be back here.